Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
In this class, we will discuss problems, my example problems and exercise problems will start. Okay. Trigonometry example 6, trigonometry functions topic, example 6. If cos x is minus 3 upon 5, minus 3 by 5, x lies in third quadrant, find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Cos x function value, trigonometric function cos x value is given as minus 3 by 5. Here x is in third quadrant. Okay. My x is in third quadrant. Already we discussed in third quadrant which trigonometric ratios are positive? Tan and cot positive. Remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay. Now, what is given? Cos x is given as minus 3 by 5. Secant x is reciprocal of cos x, no? So, secant x is reciprocal of cos x, that is secant x is equal to what? Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 reciprocal, that is minus 5 by 3. So, secant x is minus 5 by 3. Okay, 1 completed. Next, to find out remaining 4 trigonometric functions, we have a condition or identity. Okay, trigonometric identity, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay, so sin square x is equal to what? We can write 1 minus cos square x. Okay, 1 minus cos is how much? Minus 3 by 5. Here it is given as minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 whole square is what? 9 by 25. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. LCM is what? 25. So 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 by 25. So sin square x is equal to 16 by 25. Take square root on both sides. Ma. So sin x is equal to what? Plus or minus 4 by 5. Plus or minus 4 by 5. Sin x is plus or minus 4 by 5. But here x is lying in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin is negative. So sin x will be what? As x is in third quadrant, sin x is negative. So sin x is equal to minus 4 by 5, not plus 4 by 5. Sin x is equal to minus 4 by 5. So sin x value we have. What about cosecant? Cosecant is reciprocal of sin, no? So cosecant x is equal to reciprocal of minus 4 by 5 is minus 5 by 4. So cosecant x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay. Next, tan x is ratio of sin upon cos. Ratio of sin upon cos. Tan x is equal to sin upon cos, where sin x is what? Minus 4 by 5 upon cos x is minus 3 by 5, that is given. Minus minus cancel, 5 cancel. So tan x is equal to what? 4 by 3. Tan x is equal to 4 by 3. So cot x is reciprocal of tan x. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. Or else cot x is equal to cos by sin we can write. So this is also 3 by 4. Now what is given here? Given that trigonometric function cos x value is minus 3 by 5. Cos x is minus 3 by 5. X is in third quadrant. Cos x is minus 3 by 5. X is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay, now here question is to find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Okay, now cos x given means reciprocal of cos x is secant x. So cos x is minus 3 by 5, secant x is what? Minus 5 by 3. Okay, next we have an identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, where cos x value we know. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos is how much? Minus 3 by 5. Cos square is minus 3 by 5 whole square, that is 9 by 25. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. LCM is 25. 25 minus 9 is what? 16. So sin square x is 16 by 25. Sin square x is equal to 16 by 25 means sin x is equal to what? Plus or minus 4 by 5. Okay. Now here plus or minus 4 by 5. Sin x is positive or negative? Depends on where x is lying. X is lying in third quadrant. We know that in third quadrant and fourth quadrant sin is negative. So sin x's value is what? Minus 4 by 5. As sin x is minus 4 by 5, cosecant x is what? Minus 5 by 4. Cosecant x is minus 5 by 4. Okay. Now tan x is the ratio of sin upon cos. So tan x is equal to sin upon cos, that is minus 4 by 5 upon minus 3 by 5, minus minus cancel, 5 cancel, tan x is 4 by 3, cot x is reciprocal of tan, that is 3 by 4, okay, cot x is equal to 3 by 4 or else cot x is equal to cos by sin also we can write, that is also 3 by 4, okay. Next question, example 7. Example 7, if cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12, x lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, which trigonometric ratios are positive? In second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive, remaining 4 trigonometric functions are negative. In second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosecant, these two are positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay, what is given here? Cot x is given as minus 5 upon 12, find other trigonometric functions values. So cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12. As you know, cot x, tan x we can write now directly. So tan x is what? Reciprocal of cot x, that is tan x is equal to minus 12 upon 5. Okay. Now we have a trigonometric identity, that is secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square. Okay, secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square. So 1 plus, what is tan? Minus 12 by 5. Tan square is minus 12 by 5 whole square. That is minus 12 by 5 whole square is 12 square. Minus 12 square is 144 upon 5 square is 25. So 1 plus tan square x is 144 upon 25. Take LCM at 25. 25 plus 144, 169. Okay, secant square x is 169 upon 25. So secant x is equal to plus or minus 13 upon 5. Plus or minus 13 upon 5. Now here x is in second quadrant. X is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, secant is negative, because in second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive, remaining 4 negative. Okay, since x lies in second quadrant, secant will be negative. So secant x is what? Minus 13 upon 5. So as you know, secant, cos we can write now, cos is reciprocal of secant, that is cos x is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Okay. So sin x, how we can find? Sin is a product of tan and cos. Product of tan and cos, or else we can use sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, that also we can use. Okay, anyhow, sin x is equal to tan x into cos x. Okay, what is tan x? Tan x is minus 12 upon 5 into cos x is minus 5 upon 13. 5 cancel, minus of minus plus 12 upon 13. Sin x is 12 upon 13. As x is in second quadrant, sin is positive. Okay, cosecant is reciprocal of sin, no? So cosecant is reciprocal of sin. Reciprocal of 12 upon 13 is 13 upon 12. Okay. Next. Exercise 3.2. First question. Find the values of other trigonometric functions. Find the values of other trigonometric functions. Cos x value is given as minus 1 upon 2, where x is lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. In third quadrant, tan and cot positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay, so cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So reciprocal of cos, secant x is equal to what? Secant x is equal to minus 2. Secant x is minus 2. Okay. Further, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We have this trigonometric identity where we know cos value. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square. Cos is how much? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is what? 3 by 4. Sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. So sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. So sin x is equal to what? Sin x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Sin x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now sin x is equal to plus root 3 by 2 or sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 depend where x is lying. X lies in, here what is given? X lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant sin is negative. Okay, since x lies in third quadrant, sin x is negative in third quadrant. So sin x is equal to what? Minus root 3 upon 2. Okay, so as we know sin x, cosecant x is what? Reciprocal of sin x. So cosecant x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3. Minus 2 upon root 3. Cosecant x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3. Okay, now tan x. Tan x is ratio of sin upon cos, no? Ratio of sin upon cos, that is sin value is minus root 3 by 2 upon cos value is minus 1 by 2. So minus minus cancel, 2 cancel. So tan x is equal to root 3. Tan x is equal to root 3. Cot x is reciprocal of tan x, no? So cot x is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, if you observe here, as x value is in third quadrant, tan and cot positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay, now what is given here? Cos x is given as minus 1 by 2. So as cos x is given, secant x we can write reciprocal of cos. So secant x value is minus 2. Okay. Now using the trigonometric identity, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Sin square is 1 minus cos square. So sin square is equal to 1 minus minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Sin x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Sin x is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now as x is in third quadrant, sin x is negative. So sin x value is what? Minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So as we know, sin x value, cosecant is reciprocal of sin. So cosecant x equal to minus 2 by root 3. Okay. Next tan x is what? Ratio of sin on cos, sin upon cos. So sin value is minus root 3 by 2 upon cos value is minus 1 by 2, 2 cancel, root 3. Minus minus also cancel. So tan x is equal to root 3. Cot x is reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by root 3. Okay. Next question. Sin x is 3 by 5 given. X lies in second quadrant. We have to find remaining 5 trigonometric ratios. Okay. Sin x is equal to 3 by 5. X is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin and cosecant positive. Remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. So since sin x is equal to 3 by 5, cosecant x is what? Reciprocal of sin, that is 5 by 3. Okay. Next, we have trigonometric identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Cos square x is equal to what? 1 minus sin square x. That is 1 minus sin square x is what? Sin x is 3 by 5. Sin square is 3 by 5 whole square, that is 9 by 25. Take LCM. LCM is 25. 25 minus 9. 16 upon 25. So cos square is 16 upon 25. Cos square x is equal to 16 upon 25. So cos x is equal to plus or minus 4 upon 5. Plus or minus 4 by 5. Now as x is in second quadrant, in second quadrant sin and cosecant positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. So cos x is negative. So cos x is what? Minus 4 by 5. So as we know cos x, secant x we can write. Secant x is reciprocal of cos. So secant x is equal to minus 4 by minus 5 by 4. Okay. So cos and secant we have. What about tan? Tan is ratio of sin upon cos. Okay. Tan x is equal to sin x upon cos x. That is sin x is 3 by 5 upon cos x is minus 4 by 5. 5 cancel. So tan x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay. So tan x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Cot x is reciprocal of tan. So cot x is equal to what? Minus 4 by 3. Cot x is minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now in second quadrant, sin and cosecant positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. In second quadrant, sin and cosecant positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. So sin value is how much given? 3 by 5. So cosecant is its reciprocal 5 by 3. Okay, cos value how much we got? Plus or minus 4 by 5, but in the second quadrant cos is negative, so cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Secant x is what? Reciprocal of this one, so secant x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Tan x is ratio of sin on cos. Sin on cos ratio is how much? Tan x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Cot x is reciprocal of tan, that is minus 4 by 3. Okay, next. Okay, next question ma. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. X lies in third quadrant. We have to find the remaining 5 trigonometric functions. Cot x is 3 by 4. X lies in third quadrant. When x lies in third quadrant, cot and tan positive. Remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay, so what is given here? Cot x is equal to 3 by 4. Cot x given means tan x is also given indirectly. So tan x is a reciprocal of cot. So tan x is equal to what? 4 by 3. Okay, cot x is equal to 3 by 4 means tan x is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, now we have identity, that is secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, that is 1 plus tan square. Tan x is what? 4 by 3, its square is 16 by 9. Okay, 1 plus 16 by 9, take LCM 9 plus 16, 25 by 9. Secant square x is equal to 25 by 9. So secant x is equal to what? Plus or minus 5 by 3. Plus or minus 5 by 3. Now in third quadrant, tan, cot positive, remaining negative. So secant is negative. So secant x is equal to what then? Secant x is equal to minus 5 by 3. So secant x is equal to minus 5 by 3 means cos x given, no? So what is cos x? Reciprocal of secant, that is minus 3 by 5. Cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Okay, next. Sin x is product of tan and cos. Sin x is product of tan and cos. So tan x is how much? Tan x is 4 by 3 and cos x is minus 3 by 5. Okay, 3 cancel, minus 4 by 5. Sin x is minus 4 by 5. Cosecant x is reciprocal of sin x. So cosecant x is what? Minus 5 by 4. Okay, we found all remaining 5 trigonometric function values. Okay, what is given? Cot x given. So cot x given means tan x is also given. So tan x is reciprocal of cot, that is tan x is equal to 4 by 3. As cot x is 3 by 4, tan x is 4 by 3. Okay, we have a trigonometric identity, that is secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Tan x is 4 by 3, tan square is 16 by 9. Okay, take LCM 25 upon 9. Secant is plus or minus 5 upon 3. Okay, now in third quadrant, tan and cot positive, remaining trigonometric ratios are negative, so secant is negative. So secant x is minus 5 by 3. So cos x is what? Minus 3 by 5. Okay, next, sin x is product of tan x and cos x. Sin x is product of tan x and cos x, where tan x is 4 by 3, cos x is minus 3 by 5. Here 3 cancel, minus 4 by 5 is sin x. So cosecant x is reciprocal of sin, that is minus 5 by 4. Okay, next question, question number 4. Secant x is given as 13 upon 5, x lies in fourth quadrant. Now in fourth quadrant, cos and secant positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay, my first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Second quadrant sin and cosecant positive. Third quadrant tan and cot positive. Fourth quadrant cos and secant positive. Okay, so as secant x is 13 by 5, cos x is what? 5 by 13. So cos x completed. Next, we have a identity, that is secant square minus tan square x is equal to 1. So using that, tan square x is equal to secant square minus 1. Okay, secant is what? 13 by 5. Secant square is 169 by 25. 169 by 25 minus 1, take LCM. LCM is 25. 169 minus 25, 144. So 144 by 25. Tan square x is 144 by 25. So tan x is equal to plus or minus 12 by 5. Plus or minus 12 by 5. Now in fourth quadrant, tan negative. So tan x is equal to minus 12 by 5. So tan x is minus 12 by 5 means cot x, its reciprocal, minus 5 by 12. Okay. Now sin x is what? Tan x into cos x, where tan x is minus 12 by 5 into cos x is what? 5 by 13. 5 cancel, minus 12 by 13. Sin x is minus 12 by 13. So sin x is minus 12 by 13 means cosecant x is what? It's reciprocal of sin. Cosecant x is reciprocal of sin, that is minus 13 by 12. Okay. Now here what is given is secant x is given as 13 by 5, x is in 4th quadrant. Okay. Secant in 4th quadrant is positive. Similarly cos is also positive. Remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. So secant is 13 by 5, secant x is 13 by 5, cos x is 5 by 13. Okay, tan square x is equal to secant square minus 1 using this identity, that is secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Okay, secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1, tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Using this property, tan square x is equal to secant square 169 by 25 minus 1. LCM 25, 169 minus 25, 144, 144 by 25. So tan square is 144 by 25, tan x is plus or minus 12 by 5. Now in 4th quadrant tan is negative. So tan x is equal to what? Minus 12 by 5. Cot x reciprocal of tan, that is minus 5 by 12. Sin x is product of tan and cos. Okay, tan is minus 12 by 5, cos is 5 by 13. 5 cancel, minus 12 by 13. Sin x is minus 12 by 13. So cosecant x is reciprocal of sin, that is minus 13 by 12. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Question number 5. Tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12, x lies in 2nd quadrant. Now in 2nd quadrant, sin and cosecant positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. So as tan is given means cot is also given, as tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12, cot x is minus 12 by 5. Okay. We have a property that is secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. So secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. Secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square minus 5 by 12 whole square, nothing but 25 by 144. Take LCM of 144. 144 plus 25, 169 by 144. Secant square x is equal to 169 by 144. So secant x is equal to what? Plus or minus 13 by 12. Okay, plus or minus 13 by 12. Okay. Now in 2nd quadrant, secant is negative. As x is in 2nd quadrant, secant x is negative. So secant x is equal to what? Minus 13 by 12. Minus 13 by 12. So secant we have means cos also we have. So cos is what? Reciprocal of secant. So cos x is equal to minus 12 by 13. Okay. Next, sin x is equal to product of tan and cos, where tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12, cos x is equal to minus 12 by 13. 12 cancel, minus of minus plus 5 by 13. Sin x is 5 by 13. Cosecant x is reciprocal of sin. So cosecant x is equal to reciprocal of sin x, that is 13 by 5. Okay. Here what is given? Tan x is given as minus 5 by 12, x is in 2nd quadrant. In the 2nd quadrant, sin and cosecant positive, remaining 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. Okay. So tan x is minus 5 by 12, it's a reciprocal. Cot x is equal to minus 12 by 5. Okay. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x is what? Minus 5 by 12 whole square, that is 25 by 144. LCM 144. 144 plus 25, 169 by 144. Secant square x is equal to 169 by 144. Secant x is plus or minus 13 by 12. Plus or minus 13 by 12. Okay. Now as x is in 2nd quadrant, secant is negative in 2nd quadrant. So secant x is equal to what? Minus 13 by 12. So cos x reciprocal of secant x, that is minus 12 by 13. Sin x is product of tan and cos. Sin x is equal to tan x value, how much we got? How much given? Minus 5 by 12. Cos x, how much we have? Minus 12 by 13. So 12 cancel, minus of minus plus 5 upon 13 sin. So cosecant is reciprocal of sin, no? So cosecant x is equal to 13 upon 5. Okay. Next, find values of trigonometric functions. Sin 765 degrees. Sin 765 degrees. Now here trigonometric functions are called circular functions. Trigonometric functions are circular functions, means after certain stage values repeat. Okay, sin x, cos x, cosecant x, secant x, these 4 trigonometric functions value repeat after 360 degrees or 2 pi. Whereas tan x and cot x value repeats after 180 degrees or pi. Means if you have more than 360 degrees or more than 2 pi, in case of sine, cos, secant, cosecant, we can remove multiples of 2 pi or multiples of minus 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi we can remove. Whereas in case of tan and cot, multiples of pi we can remove. Suppose you have tan of 3 pi plus pi by 3. Directly you can write as tan pi by 3. Suppose sine of 2 pi plus pi by 3. We can write as sine pi by 3. Okay. So question number 6. Find the value of sine 765 degrees. Sine 765 degrees. 765 is nothing but 720 degrees plus 45 degrees. Sine 765 degrees. 765 degrees we can write as 720 degrees plus 45 degrees. Okay, 720 degrees is nothing but 2 times of pi. Okay, we know that values of sin x repeat after an interval of 2 pi or 360 degrees. So you can remove multiples of 360 degrees or multiples of 2 pi. So sin 765 degrees is equal to sine of 2 times of 360 degrees plus 45 degrees. 720 degrees plus 45 degrees actually. So multiples of 360 you can remove. So sine of 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. Sine of 2 pi plus theta is sin theta. Okay. So using that, sine of 2 into 360 degrees plus 45 degrees, what we can write? Sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2. So sine 765 degree value is 1 by root 2. Next, cosecant minus 1410 degree. Cosecant minus 1410 degree. So cosecant also repeat after an interval of 2 pi or 360 degrees. So cosecant minus 1410 degrees, I will write like this one. Cosecant minus 1410 plus 4 times of 360 degrees we can write. Okay, because multiples of 360 we can remove, no issue. Because cosecant of 4 times of 360 plus theta is cosecant theta only. Okay, so 4 times of 360 degrees is nothing but 1440 degrees. Now total what? 30 degrees. Okay, so cosecant of 30 degrees. Cosecant of 30 degrees is 2. Cosecant of 30 degrees value is 2. Okay, next, tan 19 pi by 3. Tan 19 pi by 3, but tan x and cot x repeats after an interval of pi or 180 degrees. So what you can do is you can remove multiples of pi. Okay, so tan of 19 pi by 3, what we can write is tan 6 pi plus pi by 3. If you take LCM, LCM is 3, 18 plus pi, 19 pi by 3. So tan of 19 pi by 3 we can write as tan of 6 pi plus pi by 3. Already we discussed sine of 2 pi plus theta, sine of 4 pi plus theta, sine of 6 pi plus theta is sin theta. Okay, multiples of 2 pi plus theta is sin theta you can write. Similarly, cos of 2 pi plus theta, cos of 4 pi plus theta, cos of 6 pi plus theta is cos theta. Similarly, tan of pi plus theta, tan of 2 pi plus theta, tan of 3 pi plus theta is equal to tan theta. Now here tan 6 pi plus pi by 3, what we can write? Tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 value is root 3. Tan pi by 3 value is root 3. Okay, I will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining concepts and problems in next class. Thank you.